Hello everybody. Right, I've got the journal. It's finished and I hope you like it. Okay, I put a sort of mixture of things on the back here, like a spider and some charms and things which can come off. Okay, it doesn't have to stay there, so if it annoys you. This is the fabric. I printed onto fabric, and that was one of the page from Beyond the Grave. Okay, and I printed it onto fabric and used it. It's permanent ink I use that with on the fabric, so it's not going to run if you get it wet or anything. Okay, and then used a really grungy doily for my sister. Thank you, Janet. We knew we needed something else, and she had the perfect doily. And because that was sort of, I put black on the lace on the back spine there, and then the doily over the top. Okay, it's sort of, what can I say? Like semi-flexible. Okay, all right. I didn't want it like a really heavy type journal, if you know what I mean. So one hand, no problem, but it's packed. Okay, and I quite like the feel of that. I got loads of fluff. All right, and got some of the flowers that we dyed early on. Put a little bow here, some lace underneath. Okay, and decoupage one of the pictures. That's one of my favourite ones. So, and then use that frame and put back there. Okay, and put some grommets in here. All right, it's glued down really well. This is just some sort of like fabric sheeting that's been dyed and grunged up with this. So it's sort of very similar tone, but you know, taking the colour slightly different, but that's how I wanted it. So yes, that hasn't been defluffed yet, so you have to excuse me. Right, okay, so here's the cover there. Done this, oh gosh, last year. Okay, that's just the book page with a napkin over the top, and that's quite grungy, and I just left it. That's the piece of paper that you saw me working on some of the things I'd done, you know, so something like the tags I made, and then I'd sort of you've done that as well. So this is a tag. I think there's a video on these tags there. Oh, there we go. Okay, all backed, and then I used the tickets for that, and then there's a nice big writing space. Okay, there we go. It feels like leather, that does. And that just slips in there. Okay. Yes, it's mainly Beyond the Grave, but there might be some things from my other kit, only because I had, you know, it was what I had left over. And like I said, I did batter the pages up when I'd done this journal. Okay, so there's rips in places and things like that, but it's just gone with that sort of feeling of how I wanted it to feel. Okay, I might actually stick that down there. I didn't do it. Yeah, so I think I will. And I think that might, if it's not stuck down, it might rip. Right, let's have a look. Let's stick that down. And while we look at the journal, I shall put a little clip on that. Keep it there. Okay. There we go. Like I said, I've left the threads. Yep. Okay. Right, these are some little tags I've done from the collage thing. Everything's been stained up and that, and I just tucked them in there. And there's one here. Okay. So I've left that hanging out a bit because I quite like that. Done some stamping throughout, and these are the ones that were a freebie on my Ko-fi that you could print out and use. and put some sort of grungy stuff down there. And that's that. Just put some odd things. I think that's from Tim Holtz, that one, by the look of it. Put some things in there. I say grungy papers. This is just a sort of grungy bit of paper and a stamp over some ephemera, and then I just place that there in case you wanted that somewhere else. It's an envelope there. I don't think I've got anything in that envelope. I don't think. This is the one I haven't stuck down. I'll tell you, when you think you're finished, right, you always find something, but the other envelope has got some bits in. So what I'm going to do, excuse me a minute, I shall stick this down. Not to see if I've got any tickets to put in there. I'll put these few bits in, yeah. Okay, they won't be inked up though, but they're going with the journal. So there we go. So that is that. There is just some odd bits of paper that's quite grungy. See, that's the back of an envelope. Just sort of so to show you what I use, really. You know, when I do these grungy bits of paper, like I say, that's the back of an envelope. Right. And there, this is another bit, grungy paper. Just open that up. That's there. And then so you can write and everything in there. So I've kept it really grungy. I just thought that looked nice on top as well. So I put it on there. And that's that. There we can journal on. I think there's journaling on the back as well there. So that's like a top tuck. One of the tags, there's quite a few tags in here, so nice. I think that's one of Tim Holtz's, and that's one from the kit. And another tag. Okay. And some charms. Yeah, and that's that page there. I love the way that is through. You can see that through there. That worked out brilliant. Remember when I done it? I think I done it the wrong way round. So I had to sort of come up with something because I wanted that really originally to go over that. But anyway, I actually like what's happened. So another tag there. Handmade tag. I think there's about 6 in here. So and then there's some from the kit as well. And then that's acetate. Okay. There's a pocket here. That was one of the pages where it had like you had a backdrop and then you had a tag to go over the top. But I used it in here. Pocket, and then a journaling card there. Yeah, one of the pockets, a couple of little things. I think these are from my other kits. It was already pre-cut out and everything, so that's the kit there. Yeah. Oh, there's one of the pockets, like I said, yeah. All right. That's a journaling card made into a pocket. Okay. Tag from college board or master board. Just fit in there, but I'm going to keep it stuck out. There we go. Some journaling cards. That was already cut out from one of my previous kits. This is a lovely bit of paper, and that's original book page there. So I put that in because I just think that's absolutely beautiful. That's my last bit of that. It's a very old book. Some sort of washi tape down. Okay, oh, there we go. Top tuck there. Journaling card, and then I think you saw me do this. And I just put some tickets in and everything in there. There you go. And that was one of the skulls cut out from a napkin on top of a book page. And let's put a bit of lace there. You can use it as a tuck spot. This journaling card, and then some grungy sort of ephemera. Yeah. And that is something that I just stamped over when I was playing around. So I've popped that in. I'll put that there. And that there. And top tuck, and I just put some really old, it's quite fragile, this music paper in there. Okay. And these are from earlier kits as well, I think. Yep. I'm leaving that crease in that. I like it. Okay. And that's the middle of the signature. Another big tag. So a stitch around that hole there, look. There you go. And one tags from the kit. Yeah. And that flips open. Another tag. And charm. That's one of the smaller tags I've done. Tag there. Little charm on, little dangle. Envelope there, just put some journaling card in. Okay. Something I'd done years ago, that, and I thought, do you know what, it actually goes with this, so just decorated it a bit. It's like fingerprints. Got my fingerprint now. These I made last year, so there's videos on that. I will put the Halloween playlist. There's loads of videos in there that I've done, different Halloween stuff. Yeah, this is like, you know, a card. I've done them up last year. And these is just bits and pieces. And, well, this is like an old piece of paper from one of my other kits. But I've just done it up, so we've got writing space in there. Okay, or can be used in the kit as well. Another tag, and that is a coin envelope. Yeah. Quite like the back of that. I think that's a pocket that went with that page, you know, I said, and I used it as a, yeah, that one. I printed it twice. So I've used that on a page as a pocket, and that's the pocket there. Yeah. Because I printed it twice. Just a journaling card there. Tuck spot. Another tag. Oh, I done that last year. Done some crazy stitching and thought I'd utilise that. That's an envelope. That's got some like tickets and things in. Yeah, like loads of bits and pieces on some, maybe some fabric as well. Yeah. And then here, I think this is loose. I just thought it went nicely, and all that's loose as well. Okay, which you can end up doing that up and adding that somewhere else. Just like I actually thought it looked quite good in it. Do that. Again, topper, that was from last year. And there, I think this opens out. And that's just normal piece of ephemera. Yeah, and all I've done there is stamped a spider on it, and then it becomes Halloween, doesn't it? So, yeah, it's from a French kit, I think. So, yeah, this tag I done last year. It's got a three-dimensional crow on it, or is that what they're called? That in there. Oh, and I have got to put something in here. It was drying, that's right. Yep, and that's you saw me do that under that little pocket, and I just need to tuck something in there. Okay, and that is the back. Right, I hope you like that, and hopefully I'll get back to doing more videos. Sorry, I've been like I say, I got a bit ill, and took me a good 5 weeks. It affected all my joints and everything, and I didn't really feel like coming into the studio that much. Just in and out, sort of popping in, doing a few bits and pieces, and then going again. So hopefully I'm on the mend now. I know I've got like a craft fair coming on the end of November, and I am crocheting, because there's no point in me taking anything, you know, junk journal wise, because around here they'll just think, what is that about? And to be honest, I thought, well, I enjoy crocheting. It gets me off the computer. So, and when I was ill, I found as though I could just sit and crochet a bit, you know, without having to think. So, even though I'm learning loads of different things, because I've never made a plushie in my life. So, it's been very interesting. I'm really enjoying it, actually. So, hopefully, yeah, get back to normal in the next couple of days, start doing some videos again. And thank you for bearing with me. And I hope you are all well. And stay safe, everyone. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.